Everyone, how's it going? This is an Erpnext versus QuickBooks guide and which one is the best business tool for you. Now, if I'm being very honest with you guys, QuickBooks is only for accounting purposes, right? Like profit loss, or you need to see how much you're spending, how much you're getting. You need to track VAT, you need to track your taxes. If you're getting any multi-currency, you need to, sync your data with Excel. You need to customize your dashboards, all these things like that. Basically, accounting stuff that is QuickBook. But if you need all those, plus, if you need to see your inventory management, if you need to see your fixed assets, if you need to see your financial status, you need to see your procurements, you need to see the sales, you need to see your CRM, you need to see stock, you need to see manufacture, projects, point of sale, quality, and support. All these things, you won't get them in QuickBooks. And then there are not much integrations when it comes to QuickBooks, but you have for Erpnext. In short, Erpnext is one in all, or all in one, sorry, all in one ERP. It gives you everything you need, whereas QuickBooks is just for accounting and financial reason. And for that reason, if you need more, I would say go with Erpnext. And this is it for the video. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.